Hi guys, so today let me show you how to trade crypto, and this is my favorite way. There are several ways to trade, but let me start with this method because it's my favorite. I absolutely like trading this way. So this is called futures trading, and if you've already subscribed or gone to Binance or Bybit, I'm sure you are able to find it. But if you're on Binance, because most people are there, you can go to the futures place, take that test, and start trading. So the reason why I like futures trading is because I can be able to trade both ways. When I was starting out, I started with spot trading, and that is just trading, waiting for the market to drop, and then buy low and then sell high, and it would take weeks to some extent. And yes, it worked, but I would see my profits like after a week or after 3 weeks or after a month even. But with since I had to become a day trader, I wanted to scalp every other day, and once I found opportunities, I had to learn how to trade futures. And as you can see, I've taken up just a little amount, and I've traded with $102, and you see that I've taken the long position, and you can see I'm earning a little bit. But I love futures because the possibilities are endless. When you notice that the market is going to go up, or you find an opportunity of the market going up, you can immediately go up, enter the market and go up with the market. And once you find that, oh, now the market is going low, you can go low with it. So for me, my mentality when it comes to futures is that you can go two ways. That is, you can go up with the market, and once you see, oh, now it's time to go down, you come down with the market. So if you're interested to learn more, head over to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe. I'll be showing you how more often, and even give you some of my trades. But we will do this together. We'll learn together. I'm still not an expert at this, but at least I've now started seeing amazing profits. Okay, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.